Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talk about dividing a number by one-digit number. Example number 1, we have 155 divided by 5. This shape of divide is called long division. The first step for long division, we have divide. After divide, we have multiply, and then after multiply, we have subtract, and the last step is bring down. After bring down, we have to go back to the first step. So we have 155 divided by 5. The first step, you have to start from the first number at left, from this one, and the first step is divide. 1 divided by 5 we can, because 1 is less than 5, so we have to take these two numbers together. 15 divided by 5, it means how many 5s are in 15. If you know the multiplication table, you know 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. So in 15 we have 3 5. Or if you don't know the multiplication table, you can use this way, but this way take more time. For example, you have 15 divided by 5. You have to draw 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have to divide 15 equally over this circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you have to look at the last circle. We have 3 lines in the last circle, so 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. After divide, you have multiply. 3 times 5 equal to 15, and then after multiply you have subtract. We have to subtract these two numbers together. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And then after subtract, you have bring down. You have to bring down this 5. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step, divide. 5 divided by 5, it means how many 5s are in 5? We have only one 5. You have to write 1. And then after divide, you have multiply. 1 times 5 equal to 5. After multiply, you have subtract. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. And then after subtract, we have bring down, but we don't have any numbers after 5 to bring down it, so we have to stop here. And then this number is called quotient. Quotient means the result of our division, and then this small number is called divisor, and the big number is called dividend, and this number is called remainder. After divide and after long division, after we find in the quotient, we have a check step. This check step tells us our quotient is correct or incorrect. In check step, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient. The divisor is 5 and the quotient is 31. 31 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we have to add this product with the remainder. The remainder is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5, 1. So in check step, we get 155 and the dividend is 155. It means this quotient or our quotient is correct. Example number 2, we have 84 divided by 3. The first step we have divide. So 8 divided by 3, it means how many 3's are in 8? We have 2. If you don't know the multiplication table, you can use this way: 8 divided by 3. You have to draw 3 circles and then share this 8 over this circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last circle we have 2 lines, so 8 divided by 3 equal to 2. After divide you have multiply. 2 times 3 equal to 6, and then after multiply you have subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then after subtract you have bring down. You have to bring down 4. Now we have 24. After bring down you have to go back to the first step, divide. 24 divided by 3, it means how many 3's are in 24, or which number multiplied by 3 equal to 24 or close to 24. 3 times 7 equal to 21. 3 times 8 equal to 24. So 8 is suitable number. 8 times 3 equal to 24, and then after multiply we have subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0, and then after subtract we have bring down, but we don't have any number after 4, so we have to stop here. And then for check step we have to multiply this divisor by the quotient. 28 times 3. 3 times 8 equal to 24. You have to regroup in. 3 times 2 equal to 6 plus 2 equal to 8. And then we have to add with the remainder. The remainder is 0. 84 plus 0 equal to 84. So the dividend is 84. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 3. We have 680 divided by 8. The first step we have divide. 6 divided by 8. It means how many 8's are in 6? We don't have any 8's because 6 is less than 8. So we have to take these two numbers together. 68 divided by 8. It means which number multiplied by 8 is equal to 68 or close to 68. We don't have any number multiplied by 8 equal to 68, but we have a number multiplied by 8 close to 68 is 8. 8 times 8 equal to 64. 64 is close to 68. So suitable number is 8. After divide you have multiply. 8 times 8 equal to 64. After multiply you have subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. After minus or subtract you have bring down. You have to bring down 0. And then you have to go back to the first step. We have divide and 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 equal to 40, and then you have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then we have a check step. In check step we have to multiply divisor by the quotient. 85 times 8. 8 times 5 equal to 40. We have to regroup in. 8 times 8 equal to 64. Plus 4 equal to 68. And then we have to add this product with the remainder. The remainder is 0. 680 plus 0 equal to 680. And the dividend is 680. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 4. We have 294 divided by 7. We have to start from this 2. 2 divided by 7, we don't have any 7 in 2, so we have to take these two numbers. 29 divided by 7, it means which number multiplied by 7 is close to 29? 4 multiplied by 7 equal to 28. 28 is close to 29. And then you have to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then after subtract we have bring down. you have to bring down 4. Now you have 14. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step, divide. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 7 equal to 14. And then you have to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then for check step, you have to multiply 42 by the divisor 7. 7 times 2 is 14. We have to regroup in. 7 times 4 equal to 28 plus 1, 29. And then you have to add this product with the remainder. The remainder is 0. 294 plus 0 equal to 294. And the dividend is 294. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 5. We have 72 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. We have to bring down 2. Now we have 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 equal to 12. And then we have to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. For check step, we have to multiply 24 by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So we have 72 plus 0 equal to 72. The dividend is 72. It means our quotient is correct. Last example, example number 6. We have 408 divided by 4. First step is divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1. After divide, you have multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. After multiply, you have subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then you have to bring down 0. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step. 0 divided by 4. We don't have any 4 in 0. So you have to write 0 in the quotient. And then 0 times 4 is 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. And then we have to bring down 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So the quotient is 102. For check step, you have to multiply 4 by 102. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 408 plus the remainder 0 equal to 408. And then the dividend is 408. It means our quotient is correct.